Let's start with the video. If you score 300 plus marks, then your general rank will be 50. Last year toppers that is first rank a student was having 341 marks. So this is just I'm providing you for your reference, and category wise you will not get the video on YouTube, so please try to watch the video up to the last. For EWS 10 rank, OBC 15 and SC/ST data is not available at this marks. For 280 plus 125 rank in general, EWS 20, OBC 30 and SC 1 rank you will get for sure once you score 280 plus, and ST data is not available. And all the data that I am providing to you has been made from the last 6 years of my experience, also from the last year official data. Everything I have included in this data, then only I am providing you the complete information. After result you will find it 100% correct. So now if you talk about for 260 plus, 300 marks for general, EWS 40, OBC 50, and for ST you will get under 2 rank for sure. For 250, 540 rank, that is for general, EWS 65, OBC 80 and SC you will get 3 rank. 220 plus 980 rank for general, EWS 95, OBC 140, SC 5 rank. For 210 plus marks, 1.3 thousand for general, EWS 130, OBC 230, SC 10, ST 5 rank. For 200 plus marks, your rank will be 1.8 thousand, and that is for general, EWS 170, OBC 330 and SC 15. And I have considered around 360 marks. From last 3-4 years they are asking only the question that is total marks of the examination, 360, 370 like this. You also know JEE Advanced total marks will be revealed on the examination date itself. No one knows how much will be the total marks of the paper, but I am assuming it around 360, 370 marks. Accordingly I am providing you the information. And from the last year data also I have checked the detail. So everything I am providing you after having complete analysis. So for 190, 2.3 thousand for general, 215 for EWS, 440 for OBC, 220 for SC, 10 rank for ST. Now if you talk about for 180, 2.8 thousand for general, 280 for EWS, 560 for OBC, 25 for SC, 15 for ST. Now if you talk about for 170, 3.5 thousand rank for general, 400 for EWS, 700 for OBC, and for SC 45, ST 20 rank. Now if you talk about for 160 plus marks, then 4.5 thousand for general. Another category you can check side where it is 550, 860, 120 for EWS, OBC, SC, ST respectively. For 156 thousand for general, 750 for EWS, 1.1 thousand, 125 and 40 rank, that is for OBC, SC, ST respectively. Now if you talk about for 140 plus marks, 7.6 thousand for general, 950, 1.5 thousand, 180 and 60 rank, that is for EWS, OBC, SC, ST respectively. For 130, 5.4 thousand for general, and 1.3, 2.1, 250 and 80 rank for EWS, OBC, SC, ST. No one will provide you category wise information. I am providing lots of effort in this data, so please try to share this video as much as possible, like this video, and please try to subscribe my channel. If you want, you can go to my Hindi channel also, that is Admission Academy. Here I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance regarding JOSA counseling, CSAB counseling, and not only for JOSA, CSAB but all the counseling based on JEE score and other private colleges like VIT, Manipal, AEEE, COMEDK, BITSAT, and for JEE, JOSA counseling, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MSTCT counseling. Everything I will guide you. If you want, you can join for any one counseling. If you want, you can join for multiple counseling, 2-3 counseling also. Charge will depend on that. I have launched the app and website also. On the screen you can check the detail. In the description box you will also get the link about the same. If you want, you can join through app or website, or if you want, you can join directly through my WhatsApp also. There I will provide you all the detail. After that, once you join, you will get the guidance up to admission. In the next section you will able to get the detail of my guidance, each and every feature what I will do for you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, AEEE or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of
family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen, you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a
So
detail.
now if you talk about for 120, 9.3, 1.7, 2.8, 380 and 110, it is for all the category respectively. For 110, 14.5, 2.2 thousand, 3.7, 500 and 144, all the category respectively. For 100, 20,000, 3,000, 4.9, 700 and 190. For 90, 26, 4,000, 6.6, 950, 270 rank. For all the category respectively, that is for general, AWS, OBC, SC, ST. Now if we talk about for 80, there is no use of 80 marks for general candidate because cutoff will be around 90. I will discuss the cutoff also soon in the same video. So for EWS 5.2 thousand, OBC 9,000 and SC 1.3, ST 400. For 70, there is no use of EWS general OBC category, so I am providing you for SC ST 1.9 and 570 rank. 60 2.6 thousand for SC and 850 for ST category. For 50, 4,000 and 1.3 thousand. For 45, 5,000 and 1.6 thousand. So at least 45 marks you need to score if you are from SC ST category. So this was about the marks versus rank category wise I have discussed. Hope you find the information very useful for you.